Welcome, adventurers, to a mesmerizing journey into the heart of the Arctic Circle, where nature puts on a breathtaking light show. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. Our journey begins in the remote and icy landscapes of the Arctic, where temperatures plunge, and the nights stretch into eternal darkness. The Northern Lights are a natural wonder caused by the interaction of charged particles from the Sun with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. The result is a display of vibrant colors, painting the night sky in hues of green, pink, purple, and blue. As our planet dances with solar winds, electrons and protons collide with gases in the Earth's atmosphere, releasing energy in the form of these radiant lights. To witness this awe-inspiring spectacle, one must venture to the best locations. Troms in Norway, Yellowknife in Canada, and Abisko in Sweden are just a few places where the lights are most vivid. The best time to witness the Northern Lights is during the winter months when the nights are longest and the skies are darkest. Did you know that the colors of the Northern Lights depend on the type of gas particles colliding with the charged particles from the Sun? Oxygen produces green and red lights, while nitrogen results in purples, pinks, and blues. This vibrant spectrum is what makes the Aurora Borealis so captivating. Solar activity, particularly sunspots and solar flares, significantly influences the intensity and visibility of the Northern Lights. During periods of heightened solar activity, the Aurora Borealis can be seen at lower latitudes, creating spectacular displays even in places not commonly associated with these lights. The Earth's magnetic poles play a crucial role in the appearance of the Northern Lights. This natural light show is most vivid near the magnetic poles, explaining why the Arctic Circle and Antarctica are prime locations for witnessing the Aurora Borealis and its southern counterpart, the Aurora Australis. Throughout history, the Northern Lights have left a mark on cultures around the world. In ancient times, they were seen as mystical forces, inspiring countless myths and legends. Even renowned historical figures like Aristotle and Galileo were fascinated by these celestial displays. Today, scientists use advanced technology and satellites to study the Northern Lights. Understanding these phenomena not only enhances our knowledge of Earth's atmosphere but also contributes to space weather forecasting, helping protect satellites and astronauts from the effects of solar storms. Unfortunately, the Northern Lights face a potential threat from climate change. As temperatures rise, the conditions for optimal Northern Lights viewing may be affected. Preserving the Arctic environment is crucial to ensuring that future generations can continue to witness this awe-inspiring natural wonder. The Northern Lights, a celestial masterpiece that transcends time and culture, continues to captivate and inspire. As we cherish these moments under the Arctic sky, let's also reflect on the importance of preserving our planet for the generations yet to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, why not like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Click the bell to be notified of our future videos.